Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to send automated email from Google Sheet or Gmail mail merge. So right now you are seeing a static data on my Google Sheet, but you might be connected your Google Sheet to a Google form where a new entry will get added every few minutes or every hour based on the frequency of the form submission, and you want to send an email whenever a new entry added to a Google Sheet at a certain frequency. And for that, we are going to use a Lido app. And let me show you a live demo on how to send email from your Google Sheet to your customer. So this is a static data I have created to show you a demo. And go to Lido app. I have given a link in the YouTube description where you can do a free sign up and it will take you to this page. Now click on the new file. Okay, and click on connect data. I want to connect to a Google Sheet, and before that, whenever you are doing a sign up, make sure that you are using the same Gmail where you kept this Google Sheet. So now select this Gmail and copy the Google Sheets URL over here and click on next. Now it will show you a preview of the data present on this particular Google Sheet that you can see over here, and click on data. Let's name this as sheet 2. Let's go to sheet 1. Okay, now we have the data populated over here, and we need to send a customized email for each row, or maybe we can say each customer, by calling their name in the subject, by calling their name in the email body. So for that, we need to create a template. So I'll use this sheet 1 as a template. Okay, now we need a subject and body. Okay, let's define the subject here. Here I want the subject to be name, comma, welcome to your application, maybe a Lido app. So to insert a name variable, use the square bracket, and it will show you the list of possible combination from sheet 1. I'll go with the name over here, comma, welcome to Lido app. Now we are going to define the email body, and I'll use the same name here. Let's say happy to onboard you. Records Arjun. And that's it. Now we have the template ready for subject and the body. Let's go to this sheet 2 where we actually want to send an email, and now we need to generate the subject and body using the string template. I'll show you how to generate. Just follow me along. Okay, here you need to use a formula called string template. Okay, now we need to go email template and just click on B1, enter, and it will ask you to give a reference instead of hard coding the B1. So if you work on Google Sheet or maybe Excel, you know the use case of a reference. So just update the formula, and that's it. All our subjects are generated from the template. Just use the same concept for body, equal to followed by string template. Go to email template, select the body, click on enter, and update the formula from hard-coded B2 to a reference of B2. That's it. Now our body is generated. Now we have a customized subject and body generated for individual customer. It's a time to send email. So I'll add one more column called email trigger, and to send an email, Lido app has a customized formula called send Gmail, and here you need to specify the email ID. where you want to send the email. So I want to send my emails from this particular email ID followed by the recipient email. We already have the recipient email on column B. Just select that, and subject, we already defined that in column C. Just select that, comma, body, we have already defined in column D. Just select that, and finally status cell. So this status cell refers to where you want to update the email delivery status. I want to update in the column F, so I'll put F2 over here. That's it, we are done. Now you see the email formula is generated across all the 3 rows. Let's test by sending one Gmail, and then we will schedule this. Okay. So now click on preview email. Before sending an email, make sure that you preview the email. I want the email to be sent from this particular email ID to this particular email ID, and make sure that the subject and body is customized. Now trigger an email. So action run successfully, email is sent. Now if you go back to the email ID, now you can see that the email has been sent successfully. Okay, now go to Lido app. I'll name this sheet as automated email. Okay. Now we are going to set up a trigger. What is trigger? So basically, whenever a new row gets added, you want to send email to those people. So for that, you cannot open this Lido app every time to process the email. So once you set up a trigger, it will take care of pulling the latest data from Google Sheet and update here and send the automated email. So it can be at any frequency. You can send email every 5 minutes or 1 hour or every 1 day once. It's completely up to you. I'm going to set up a trigger for 5 minutes now to show you a demo. And before that, we need a condition on this particular column to ensure that duplicate email is not sent. So whenever the trigger happen, it will execute from the beginning. So we need to specify that if email is already sent for a row, we don't want to send. So let's see how to do that. I will use an if condition. If logical expression f2 status is not equal to success, then send email. Otherwise, just update as email sent. That's it. Okay. So this condition will get triggered every 5 minutes, and it will check for the status on the column F. I'll name this column as status. And one more thing I would like to call out here is I want the status to be a linked column. I'll tell you what the linked column means. Okay. And I want to link this status to an email which is unique over here. Right. So let's say swap happens on Google Sheet. I already sent an email, but I'm swapping this with John. So in this case, if you don't link the column, then the status will be present only on the column 1, not on the column 2. Okay. Now if I do a refresh after linking the column, now you can see that the success got swapped to row 3 from row 2, since we have linked to this email. So that's the use case of our status. This is just an additional feature. If you want, you can make use of it. And now let's see how to set up a trigger. Just click on this 3-dot, run column on a schedule. Every 5 minutes, I want to send email. Okay, click on save, and that's it. Now you can see that email trigger is set up and schedule is ready to send an email for every 5 minutes. Now we can close this. And one more thing, you don't have to keep this Lido app open for sending an email. Once you set up a automation or trigger, you can feel free to close this app or shut down your laptop. It will be automatically taken care by the server. So no need to keep your Google Sheet always open. This is just an additional tip that I would like to tell you now. So now if you see that all the email has been sent successfully, and if you click on the automation, you can see that it was last run is updated, and the status is updated as a success, which means all the email is sent successfully. And if you want to verify that, go to send, and now you can see that it sent up to 03 that we have here. And that's it for this video. I hope you found this video really helpful. I have given a link in the YouTube description. Just go ahead, do a free sign up and try it out. Thank you. And if you have any question, drop your queries in the comment section. I will get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.